May we not be sick in Jesus' name. I know a lot of people will be like that, but whether you fall sick or you don't fall sick, you will pay this fee. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am pumped. I am super happy. Yes, I am, and this is because I have 135 subscribers. Hello, you guys are amazing. You guys are loving. Like, I feel like, oh, I got a lot of people supporting me already. Thank you for this love, thank you for this support, thank you for being amazing, and thank you for sharing my videos. I know a lot of you share my video. You can't wait to even share the link every Friday. Thank you so much for this support. I really do appreciate you, and bless you. Mind you, I had a cut. Do not let this be a distraction to you. I had a cut and it is healing already. So this video is an answer to various questions that I've had or gotten from people in my DM that, oh, Abiola, how did you do it? How can I come into the UK via the study route and everything? I'm going to be spilling the juice today because, in fact, this is the best day to spill the juice. Let me sip my own. So today I'm going to be answering all your questions. If this is a video that you would like, you want to get your notepad and your pen, it is time to jot things down because I have everything here for you guys. I'm not going to miss a line. I'm not going to miss an important details. That is why I have my notepad here as well. So let's get right into it. Documents that you'll be needing to apply for a student visa in the UK includes your passport, your CAS, your financial document, original results like original certificates, could be your transcript, your WAEC certificate, and your BSc certificate, and also your TB test certificate. All of these are the required documents for your visa application. Mind you, all this has to be in the original form, not like, okay, you don't have your WAEC certificate or something happens to it and you only have the photocopy. I think you should go and get a WAEC scratch card now. And if there is another English test that you have done that can pass, you need to check your school requirements. If they accept TOEFL or IELTS exams and all of that, you need to check if the school accept them. For the benefit of this video, I will be talking about postgraduate studies only, not the undergraduate studies. So you must have gotten your BSc certificate already to apply for a postgraduate study in the UK. If you are considering coming to the UK to study, I'd like you to consider some of these points that I'll be sharing so that it will guide you through your course or university selection. You need to consider the course that you are coming to study in the UK and ensure that the university has a good reputation in the subject. Like, you cannot want to study business or management related courses and you are going to a science and technology university. Correlate. You really need to check that. And also, you need to check the plans for student accommodation. You also need to check your entry requirements because some of these schools require application fee, while a lot of them do not require application fee. Also, some require 7.5 IELTS result, and some also require maybe a B3 in English or a C6 in English. You really need to check the entry requirement because it is going to guide you a lot. As well, you need to check your fees, which is the core of the matter. You need to check your school fees. You don't want to apply to school that you'll be asked to pay £45,000. Yes, there are schools that pay up to that amount, while you have schools that are way cheaper than that. Subsequently, I'll be uploading videos about 10 cheapest universities. You don't want to miss that video, trust me. That's why you need to click the subscribe button right now. Also, you need to check the cost of living of the city where your university will be situated. Trust me, it is expensive to live in London. Yes. And not just London. People just feel like it's a general notion, which they are correct. And also, anything southeast will generally be expensive. I don't know if the video will come before now by watching this one, or I will upload the video later about the 10 cheapest cities to rent an apartment if you are coming in as a student into the UK. Now let's move into the real deal. That is the application process. Let's now assume that you have gotten an admission on conditional offer to study in any university of choice in the UK. you need to have a valid passport. You don't want to have your outdated or expired passport and you want to come into the UK. It's not possible. The second document you need is CAS, which is confirmation of acceptance for studies. CAS is like a reference number which you will need in applying for your visa. It is also the part of document that you will submit to your UKVI when applying for a visa. Now, some school require that you have your maintenance fee in your account for 28 days before they issue you CAS. While some school does not require your maintenance fee before they issue you your CAS. So in this case, when you pay your school deposit 2 or 3 days after, some school are that fast, 2 or 3 days after you get your CAS, that is your confirmation of acceptance for study. Please note, having a CAS does not guarantee that your visa application will be successful. CAS is just a very important document that you need to submit during your application process. You really need to check your CAS properly. Check for your name, check for your address, check for your phone number, and ensure that everything is correct. It will really help you. CAS is a vital document in applying for your visa. The next document that you need is financial document. This document is to show that you can support yourself in the UK. You are not coming to the UK to become a liability to the government, or you are not coming to the UK to sleep under the bridge or become stranded all of a sudden. Now, not everyone needs this financial document, this proof of fund, maintenance fee as you may choose to call it. Not everyone needs it. If you have been in the UK for 12 months, as at the time you are applying for your visa, you do not need this proof of fund or financial document or maintenance document. Please note that where you will be studying also affects this maintenance document. If you will be studying in London, you will need to have £1,334 per month in your account. This means that you need to have £1,334 multiplied by 9 months, which is the specified period of study. A 1 year course is 9 months. So any amount that you are mandated to have per month, you multiply it times 9. That is your maintenance fee. Now, I'll break it down for you. If you are studying in London, £1,334 multiplied by 9 months is going to give you £12,006. Now, that £12,006, including your tuition fee, is what you are expected to have in your bank statement when applying for a visa. If you are staying outside London, that is your university is not in London, you will be needing £1,023 per month multiplied by 9 months, the specified course period, plus your tuition fee, that is you'll be needing £9,207 plus your tuition fee in your account before applying for visa. I hope you understand. If you have any question at this point, please drop it in the comment section. I will be super happy to answer everything. This amount of money needs to be in your account for 28 days when you want to apply for this visa, untouched. Not that you swap the money or move the money from one place to another. The money needs to be in your account fixed. You are not expected to pay it to anyone or pay it to the school. It is just there in your account. Also know that you are allowed to use more than one account. Let's assume, oh, you have account with GTB. For the benefit of the Nigerians watching me, maybe you have an account with GTB, Access Bank, blah blah blah, and it has your name. You can join all those bank statements together as your financial document. Also, if you have a sponsor, maybe your parent is sponsoring you, maybe your auntie or your uncle, you need to provide their account. And also there is a format for letter of sponsorship. You can Google it, it is online. Check for the letter of sponsorship. That in that template, write that okay, this person will be sponsoring my master's program in the UK. Moving on, you need your English test certificate. A lot of people find this weird that, oh, I'm in Nigeria, I studied in Nigeria, and then they should automatically know that I can speak in English or I can write English or anything. You have to prove it. You really need to prove that, oh, you studied in English and all of that, all of that. So in your WAEC results, you need to have at least 6 for you to show that, oh, you have this English test certificate. and you are expected to submit your WAEC certificate, not the statement of results that your school, your secondary school gave to you when you were graduating. You need to have your WAEC certificate. If you do not have up to CCs in your WAEC and your school requires CCs, you can take the English test exam. I will drop the link where you can click on and have information about the English test exam. And you need to check from your school if they accept it before going to write such exam. And also you need to check the minimum score that your school requires if you are writing any of the English test exam. Also, this English test exam, you need to submit the original certificate that you will be issued after passing the exam. You need to do your TB test and you need to submit your TB test certificate. I will drop a link in the description box below where you can check if your country is part of the country that needs to do TB test before coming to the UK. Now, in Nigeria, the TB test costs about 55,000 naira, and you cannot just go into any clinic or any hospital to do it. I will also drop the link where you would see the right hospital to do your TB test in Nigeria. The information is also available for people that are not from Nigeria. You can check for the hospitals in your country, the approved hospitals in your country. When you go for your TB test, it is done in form of X-ray. Medical people know whatever it is, I don't know. You will be placed to a machine that will check your chest for this tuberculosis. If you do not have it, you'll be issued a certificate right there and there if you go before 12 p.m., or you'll be asked to come back the next day for your certificate. That is if you don't have the TB. But if there is a situation where your TB test is not clear enough, they will ask you to do another test, which is for you to provide your sputum or your phlegm or something to run another test. In a situation whereby you have tuberculosis, I'm not sure that you will be able to come to the UK unless you are fully certified that you are not positive. Having established all the documents that you'll be needing for your application process, let's get right into the application itself. Just for recap, you need your passport, you need your CAS, you need your English test certificate, you need your financial document, and also you need original documents, and also you need TB test certificate. So now the visa application itself. I'm going to drop the link of the visa application form. You can click on it and see what you'll be needing. Majority of the questions that you'll be asked on the form are on your CAS. This is the reason why I said earlier when I was talking about the CAS that you need to check for every details on your CAS and ensure that they are all correct. While filling all the details on your form, you'll get to a point where you'll be asked to pay for your immigration health surcharge, which is your IHS. You cannot move to the next page of the application form if you don't pay for your IHS. Depending on the number of years that your course is in the UK, you will pay the IHS fee of £470 per year. This fee is for you to be able to access medical facilities and healthcare facilities in the UK. May we not be sick in Jesus' name. I know a lot of people will be like that, but whether you fall sick or you don't fall sick, you will pay this fee. £470. If your course is more than 1 year, you will likely pay more than that. But for the benefit of this video, let's assume your course is for 1 year. Once you pay for your IHS, you can then pay for your visa. I hope I'm not scaring you with all these numbers. I'm just trying to be detailed as much as possible and also give you the right figure. You can also Google all of this information online. They are there to help you. I'm trying to break it down as much as possible and so that you can have an estimate of the amount you'll be needing when you're applying for visa to the UK. You'll be sent an email to pick a date for your biometrics, or you'll be given a date for your biometrics. After you do your biometrics, 3 weeks after, your visa should be out. A lot of people get their visa earlier than 3 weeks, while some even pay for priority and super priority visa. Please note that currently in Nigeria, there is no option for super priority and priority visa at the moment. So you would wait for minimum of 3 weeks or a month to get your visa. If you have any question at this point, drop them in the comment section like I said. You're also free to follow me on my Instagram, on my Twitter handle, and also ask me these questions. I will be happy to answer every question. I'm not a travel agent. I don't work for UKVI. I don't work with any school at the moment, but I can help you in this journey. With that being said, I hope this video has been helpful to you and you would also share with any of your friends and family trying to come to the UK to study. Please note that this is an estimate for your visa application. This doesn't include your flight tickets and also your pocket money. I wish you all the best in this journey. And until the next time I see you on my channel again, stay safe, stay active. I love you. Bye.